In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can exclude your custom audiences when you're running Facebook adverts so that they don't keep seeing your advert over and over again. Now, why is this important? Because Facebook have come up with this method of recycling your advert, showing your advert to no people is now a problem. They keep showing it to everybody who have seen it. They keep showing it over and over again. And before you know it, that advert is going to hit fatigue and stop working. But with this method, you are going to reduce, not completely avoid them. You are going to reduce the number of people who have seen your advert who will keep on seeing it again. Because if I'm creating a new advert, I want to exclude the custom audiences so that I will allow new people to see my advert. How you can easily do that is when you come to your ad manager, you come to this control, this audience here, you are going to see this exclude these custom audiences. This video is not about how to create custom audiences. There are a lot of video on my YouTube channel that will show you how to do that. In fact, I'm going to link a video in the description that will show you how to create custom audiences. So I'm going to now come here and I'll search for any of the audiences and I will exclude it. Why? Next time I'm running a different advert, I want new people to see the advert. So this automatically makes Facebook to push your advert to new people instead of recycling that advert to people who have seen your other ad over and over again. Except when you are running a retargeting ad that you can now write a specific copy that can appeal to them. That is when you might want your custom audiences to be seeing your advert over and over again. But if you are running a new advert, just maybe you want to test to new audience or you want to test new creative, you might want a new people to see your advert, not the same people that have been seeing it over and over again. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So what you need to do is you need to now select all of these four custom audiences that I've created, exclude it in your advert so that it will reduce the number of people in this audience that will see your ad. Please take note, it's not going to immediately remove every of them, but it's going to reduce it so that Facebook can now have the opportunity to show your advert to new people based on your ad budget. All right. So once I have selected these four, that is it. You can now continue with creating your advert, but it's very important for you to select these four in this exclude these custom audiences. All right, so I hope you have learned this, and if you want to learn more, you can watch more video on my YouTube channel, or you can also subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video. I will see you in the next video.